I was attracted to Emily Carr because of the good reputation that the school has, but also more because of the integration between theory and research.
Well, first of all, I really like Vancouver as a city. I think it's an awesome place to live.
It reminded me a lot of the smaller private schools in the States, but a lot more approachable and affordable.
Okay, I think the faculty members are very supportive. They challenge students and encourage us to explore and get out of our comfort zone.
I think also just the exposure to the other students has been really amazing so far. Like, everybody comes from such widely different backgrounds that all the reference sharing is really starting to kick in and like build a really rich context.
I've started to question the origins of my artistic upbringing and critique the structures and systems and movements that I was working in previously.
When I was looking at grad schools, I looked at a number of them, and something that made some schools much more appealing than others was having non-media specific programs. The fact that we are not designated painters or sculptors or drawers or just separated by media that way. I wanted to make sure to come to a program where I could work across media and across disciplines.
My project's actually about the ocean, and I really wanted to come to university that would take a sort of a broad approach to design and art and media's approaches to solving marine conservation problems. I'm experimenting with stereoscopic 3D and how that can be used in the underwater world. I don't know of any other facility in Canada that has like the technical capabilities that Emily Carr does.
I feel that I can really take my work in any direction I want, and there's going to be a support system for that.
The great thing about a master's is that it allows you time, dedicated time, to focus on your work. So what I've found is great is that you start to unravel what you've already established.
The reason I came to Emily Carr was for the facilities, for the new technology, especially the S3D Research Center. Is helping towards me realize projects in 3D, which I wouldn't have been able to do as easily elsewhere.
So being in grad school will definitely help me with my career in terms of really pushing my practice, pushing my artwork to get me to be really accountable for the work that I'm making and try and make the best work possible. And also in terms of teaching, I would really like to teach, and I've been able to have some experience here being a seminar leader and then also teaching within continuing studies.
Discussing ideas with faculty members, developing ideas and themes, exploring avenues of research, and then also just technical facilities that are available to students.
So I've been working on a few projects. One's a walker, another's an actual device for therapy for the lungs.
I'm using the CNC machine, and I'm using the plasma cutter, and I'm able to work in a variety of mediums that suit the content and the concept of the work rather than trying to fit the material to a concept.
It's building contacts within the art community, both locally in Vancouver but also internationally, and it's giving me a confidence in my own work and my own abilities.
So in some senses it's about me crafting my own future, like, looking at like almost designing a new type of career for myself.
Grad school is all about, I think, the connections that you make, the people that you meet, what new openings and ventures and possibilities that can create for you in your art.
Emily Carr's helping me do that because it's allowing me to do things that I wouldn't be able to do if I was working in a full-time job, and therefore always being focused on the same thing. It allows me to kind of like broaden my perspective and see things with different eyes.